Hi, I am Flybox, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own emotes for free using just your phone and GIMP.
Bring out the GIMP.
Not that GIMP, this GIMP. Let's go. Alright, here we are in our trusty GIMP program. Now what I want to do is first of all open a new canvas. So we'll go up to File, New, and right here where it says image size, the width, we will type in 500 and the height as well. We go with 500 by 500 just because the bigger the canvas, the better the quality. Advanced options, we want to fill with where it says background color. We want to click this and fill with transparency. Click OK. There you go. If you push down your mouse wheel, you can actually move the canvas around on the screen, which comes in handy pretty often. Actually, if you are zoomed in and you want to just move around, you can zoom in by pressing Control and scrolling the mouse wheel actually, which is very convenient. So now you want to fill this. We want to use an image, and I did 500 by 500. I know the emotes on Twitch are 112 by 112, 56 by 56, and 28 by 28 pixels, and I will show you that on my Twitch channel. But I'm going with 500 by 500 for the base picture because I want to upload it to my Discord channel, and I'll show you how we will do that. So first of all, we need an image. I'm going to find an image of myself. So what you want to do is go to File and Open as Layers. Instead of just open as layers. Go ahead and find your image. I'm very poorly organized. Please don't take this as inspiration. I'm going to go with this one because I already pre-selected it, and this will be a Flyvox Think emote. Now it's very good in my opinion to just create a folder on your PC somewhere where you take selfies in various poses just so you can create emotes and thumbnails of yourself. So you just have stock footage of yourself for these projects. So I'll open up this one. Okay, we want to rotate it. So it says here, original or rotate. I took these with my phone. Obviously, okay, there, it's way too big. You see the layer that we have selected. This is actually our canvas, and this is the layer. Now we want to go to the scale tool up here. It's just like with this little arrow here. Click that. And just drag the corners slightly in the middle there. And oh, that already looks pretty good. Let's leave it like that. We don't need much of the hat. I think it could be just a tad smaller. Okay, we don't need the hat again. Now that looks like a thinking pose in my opinion. There we go. That looks pretty cool. Now what I want to do is get transparency in the background actually. So we want to get rid of these side parts here of the room where I took my selfie. So we'll go to the free select tool, right? It looks like a little lasso here. What we can actually do is go around the outsides of the image. We'll start outside of the image, just click. And then using left clicks, you can just draw along the edges of what you actually want to select. The good thing here is if you like kind of mess up, like I messed up this little corner here, you can just always go ahead and grab those little node points that you create with this free select tool and just move them around as you please. Always try to stay within the actual image because we don't want any of the background to show. So now we're outside. I click one more time outside of the image. We'll go down and click to our first starting point here, and as soon as it shines up yellow, we can just click, and you see it created this little like dotted line, and it's selected. So just press delete on your keyboard, and there we go. Go to select, none, and there we go. We have just deleted the background. We'll do this with the other side as well. All right, select the area, press delete on your keyboard, go to select, none, and there we go. We have an image and there is no background. Nice. Okay, now what we could do, I don't like that my shirt shows here this bit. We could just get rid of that. You could go to the erase tool and select something smaller here actually. And just erase this part of the image. There we go. Gotta be a bit careful around the edges here. And there we go. It is all deleted. So no more t-shirt showing. Very nice, very nice. Okay, that is basically, we have this 500 by 500. We can now save this, export this, and upload it to the Discord. All right, we'll export this as a PNG file. I'll just save it with all my other emotes in my emote folder, export. Just click export when this window pops up, and there we go. Now let's see, let's go to the Discord. This is my server right here. So let's go, let's see. Emotes, upload There we go. And there we have it. It's uploaded. Let's see what everyone has to say about this. There we go. I think it turned out pretty good. And I'll show you how you can do that with your Twitch channel, how you can upload this to your Twitch channel. All right, so we've opened up the fly thinking emote. Now let's go. Image, scale image. We'll go 112 by 112. Click scale. There we go. We will now export this. Fly, thinking. And I like to just name them at the size so I know which one is which. Yes, export. There we go. And now, and don't worry, like, see if I zoom in there, it's all pixelated. Don't worry, no one will see it. It's an emote. It's meant to be seen like in this size, right? So no one will see the quality of the image. Go to image, scale, and 56 by 56. Export as. Name it 56. One more time, go to image, scale image, 28 by 28, scale. Super small. Export. 28. And now go to your Twitch channel. I have all my email slots here, but we have one more free for the 10,000 bits. I don't think anyone will ever reach that. If you take this check mark here, you will actually see which size goes where. So we have the 112 by 112. Looks good already. We have 56 by 56 and 28 by 28. There we go. Let's call it thinking. And there you can see, a little preview here in light mode and dark mode, and just click upload and you're basically done. There we go. And there's no check anymore. So we have just uploaded our 10,000 bit reward emote, the thinking flybox thinking. Quick and easy. I do appreciate GIMP a lot. It's a very good program. It's a free program, and I really enjoy working with it. And that concludes the video on how you can create your own emotes for free using just your phone for the selfie and a free program called GIMP you can download. I will leave a link to that in the description below. Now, if this video helped you out at all, consider leaving a like, maybe even subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to comment down below in the comment section if it helped you and if you created your own emote using my video. I would love to read all your comments. If you want to talk about this video, if you have a specific question, highly recommend you visit me on my Twitch channel. The link is also in the description below. I do a lot of just chatting in my streams, and we can talk about the video or anything else, emote, streaming related, whatever you like. Until the next time, stay safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.